Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, your IOTA trading informant. Really important, guys. Today, IOTA staking is starting again. Round number 4. Let's get ready to rumble. I will show you in this tutorial how to make this, how to stake IOTAs. And I think that's really important for you guys. So let's start with this tutorial now. So guys, first of all, really important. Round 3 ended. Round 3 for IOTA staking ended. The start was July 26, 2022, and now it's over. With the end of October, it was over with round number 3. So you cannot stake IOTA for ASMB now. It's over. Everything you need to know about the latest round of the staking of IOTA, no, it's over now, guys. You should have now your ASMBs on your wallet. If you don't have it on your wallet, you can write it in my comments. I will try to check it for you guys. But now it's over, and now we are starting with round number 4. IOTA staking round number 4. What's going on? I will show you this in this tutorial. How to stake these ASMBs, how to download the Firefly wallet, and so on. What you need, all this you will know in this English tutorial. Sorry for my bad English. So, okay guys, let's start IOTA staking for this one here. For the first one, we need it in English and not in German. I have also a German video out there if you would like to know it. What's going on for IOTA staking in German? Yes, please watch it. Okay, guys. Introducing the latest round of staking IOTA for ASMB. We will start with this one here. IOTA staking for the Assembly network enters its 4th round, starting with a 3-day pre-staking period. Today, 15 o'clock on Friday, SAT time, November the 4th. Today we are starting, so it is the best time to watch this video now. This will be followed on November 7th by a 90-day staking period. So guys, it's really important to know pre-staking starting today, and the 90-day staking period is starting on November the 7th, during which participating IOTA token holders will receive staking rewards. Staking can only be done through the latest version of the official IOTA wallet, Firefly version 1.7. That's really important, guys. I will show you how to download and everything you need to know in this tutorial. The 4th round of IOTA staking for ASMB, the token of the Assembly network, begins at today, 15 o'clock, Friday, the 4th November 2022, with a 3-day pre-staking period. This followed by a 90-day staking period starting on November the 7th, 2022, and ending on February the 5th, 2023. So you have time now, 90 days to stake your IOTAs. This follows 3 previous staking periods. In total, 20% of the entire Assembly token supply is allotted to IOTA stakers, set to be distributed over the course of 24 months. To participate in the 4th staking round, the 1.7 release of the Firefly wallet needs to be used. Okay, guys, and that's really important. Please download it from, and that's the one and only original link, firefly.iota.org. You have to download it here from this one, the newest version 1.7. Not only does Firefly enable you to take part in this latest staking round, but it's also displayed the total number of tokens distributed to you in the previous 3 staking periods, as well as tracking your current token rewards. So you should see, after downloading this one, everything you staked in the first 3 rounds, and now it comes round number 4. The timeline. Users can start pre-staking their IOTA tokens during the 3-day pre-staking period, which starts at 15 o'clock p.m. on November the 4th. I told you, users must use the version 1.7 of the Firefly wallet. I told you this, guys. Once these 3 days are over, users will begin to receive staking rewards in the wallets during the 90-day staking period, starting, yes, 15 o'clock, November the 7th. Rewarded ASMB token will become transferable with the launch of the Assembly network. So we need to wait for the launch of the Assembly network. It is the same stuff as for Shimmer, guys. Shimmer started with the network. I made a really nice live video about this. Now we are online with Shimmer. We can trade Shimmer. Shimmer started with 10 cents per Shimmer. Now it is around 7 cents. And everything is okay. Everything is working fine. We need to wait for the same stuff here for the Assembly network. So for each IOTA staked, IOTA stakers will receive 0.0000001 ASMB every 10 seconds for one micro ASMB. So this is one micro ASMB. You will become one micro ASMB every 10 seconds if you are staking for up to 90 days. Each staked wallet must reach a minimum amount of one assembly ASMB. These are 1 million micro ASMB. It is not much, guys, if you have only some IOTAs, or I think it's enough to have 10 IOTAs to become this one. So it is not too much here and I think we will sure become one ASMB, guys. During this period for the airdrop to be received, rewards from previous distributions do not count towards this minimum. Yes, for sure. The Firefly wallet staking. So step by step, this is now the point of the tutorial where I will show you step by step how to download and how to stake. To begin staking, make sure that you have downloaded and installed version 1.7 of the Firefly wallet from firefly.iota.org. I told you this is the one and only original link. Use this one. Then complete the following steps. Now step number 1. Log into your profile by entering your PIN and continue to navigate to the staking tab. If you can't see your balance from the previous stakings, 1, 2, 3, these rounds, periods, please use the balance finder under settings. You can see it here, guys. This is the picture if you have downloaded your Firefly wallet. This is the picture if you have the wallet. If you have more wallets, maybe you have here the picture wallet 2. You have to click wallet 1, wallet 2 and wallet 3. I will show you this here in this tutorial. Here you will either be able to pre-stake or stake your tokens depending on which period you are accessing your wallet in, the 3-day pre-staking period or the day 90 staking period. See the timeline above the dates. Each wallet that belongs to a user profile must be staked separately. When you mark IOTA tokens for staking, a transaction is sent to you with attached metadata to indicate that you wish to stake with the market funds. Any funds staked in a given wallet will be sent to an address on the same wallet, requiring tokens in every wallet to be individually marked for staking. As I told you, the profiles you need each wallet. So wallet here, number 1, 2, 3. If you have more wallets, you can check it here on this button. So you can see it here, staking management. When you stake a wallet, you send a transaction. You can see this here. You can see here the button with stake. And if you are clicking this button, you are staking. Point number 3, to stake a wallet, simply hit the stake button. Yes, this one here. Please note that the application does not have to be open to receive the airdrops once you have initiated staking. So guys, yes, of course, you don't have to, or your PC do not have to run. You can turn it off. You are still staking if your PC is off. You do not have to open the wallet every time you use your PC. No, if you are starting staking, you can close everything and staking will go on. That's really important. So the next point number 4. Once you hit confirm, here, this button, Firefly will issue the special staking transaction. When this transaction has been confirmed, the user interface will update to show that you are now ready for staking. So, like this one here. Once the 3-day pre-staking phase has finished, you will start receiving your ASMB rewards in your wallet. You can see the total rewards per wallet by navigating to the staking tab in each wallet. You can also begin staking at any point after reward distribution officially starts on November 7. If you are staking, begin staking with November 9, 10th, 11th. It's not a problem, guys. You can start when you want, but it is better to use the full time. So if you use more time, you can stake more coins. Your rewards will simply be less as you won't have participated for the full token distribution period. Don't forget, guys, you can send your staked tokens from a staked wallet at any time. But if you do, guys, really important, you will need to manually restake any remaining tokens. Firefly will warn you if you try to send tokens that have already been staked. Because of dust protection, you must earn a minimum number of token rewards per address in order to receive the tokens when the assembly network launches. The minimum reward of assembly is 1 ASMB. You should make 1 ASMB. It is really possible. For each staking period, Firefly will inform you if you haven't yet reached the minimum reward value. If you receive additional funds on a staked wallet, you will need to manually stake those tokens Firefly will warn you if you receive tokens on a wallet that is already being used for staking. Happy staking. Guys, that's the point. That's how to stake. That's the quick tutorial. It's on blog.iota.org. You can read it there, and I hope you can stake your IOTAs here if you would like to earn this ASMBs. Really easy. It's not a big thing. Start today. And guys, that's not a financial advice, but it is a really nice stuff to stake IOTAs and become ASMBs for nothing. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time, and I hope you can visit my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm always there, and every day at 7 o'clock in the evening, I have a news special. Every day, what's going on with Bitcoin, with crypto, and so on, with IOTA, and so on, and so on. I hope you will join this live stream every day, starting at 7 o'clock in the evening. It's not a live stream, it's a premiere. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti, and thanks for every time to the upside. Thanks for your comments. If you need to know anything, write it in the comments. I will answer, I promise. Bye guys.